but I'm gonna make a new account. Hold on, I need to give you guys the backstory on what happened. So I was recording footage for Twitch reactions like I do, hitting the follow button and just put it into a video. And my footage got corrupted, sadly enough. So I made this alt account to find the people again and get the same reaction, hopefully. But I didn't, and some people caught on what happened. So I just told them what happened, and then during the video I got a great idea by using this alt account and my main account and go into different streams and mess with them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Assassin's Creed. Hey in Bato, thank you so much for follow. How are you doing?
Hey, Bato, appreciate the follow, buddy.
Oh shit. I'm not a dad. I'm not a dad. I'm not a dad. I'm not a dad. In case he's gonna watch the video, I'm not a dad. I was just joking.
Do you want a photo?
Beto, thanks for following.
Thank you for the follow. You sound very similar to the last.
Thanks for the follow, Battle. How are you?
Oh snaps! Thank you for the follow. I'm Beto.
Oh, he looks mad.
What the hell is this about? The phone is bad, you are driving, you could kill someone. Someone said the exact same, like, thing before.
In Batu, thank you so much for the follow. How are you doing?
The shits and turns, bro. My heart's racing. Hey, thank you so much. I'm Bato. Thank you for the follow, man.
I mean, technically I could, but...
Hey Bato, thank you for following.
Battle came to say hi to you.
That one game, I'm now... And thank you for following on the other account as well.
If I go into different streams with my original account and my alt account, then I can get a lot of reactions just reacting to my name.
Thanks for the follow, Ambato. I appreciate that, bud. Thank you very much for that follow.
Then hit this.
Much appreciated. There's a lot of me going into cardiac arrest on this channel. Thank you for following, Bato fans. Oh, is that another same person?
Yo.
I'm Battle. Thank you for the follow. Welcome on in.
Hello again, fellow human.
Yeah.
And Battle fan, thank you for the follow too.
Good. Let me continue with the work. I need to go. Yeah, Ellie darling, stay there. Fuck you. Get away from my footage. I don't know why I kept your stream up.
Hi Beto, welcome to the Rock Pack. Oops, sorry.
Oh, wait. Don't, you'll be
Yeah, don't worry, I'm fixing it. Better? Welcome, Beto Faint, my dude. Hey. There's no way, in a coincidence, both of yous followed both at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the Twitch. Oh, I love the reactions I get. Let's hope the footage doesn't get corrupted this time. I want to check now.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Scarce. You're now...
Okay, fuck you, Scarce. Yo.
I'm Bato. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining our little witchy corner of the internet. And I will now sing for you the song I sing to everyone who joins our little witchy corner of the internet. And it goes thusly. Ooh, thank you for the follow, Bato Fant. Welcome to our little witchy corner of the internet. How are you? How are you doing? What is happening? Oh, dearie me. Yo, we got some drama in chat. What's going on? Even if this is trolling, I'm like kind of here for it.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this video was a little bit short and a lot less edited, but the next video will be better. But I want you guys to tell me in the comment section or on Twitter what you want me to do with these kind of videos. Do you want to keep the text there? Do you want me to keep it heavy edited with texting and everything? Or did you like the style I did now by just getting the raw footage of them saying thank you and me messing with them? And if you like the part where I used my alt account and my main account to mess with streamers, tell me in the comment section as well, and I will continue to do so in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one.